Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple method to claim Discord Nitro for free, and it lasts an entire 12 months. That means you'll get access to all the premium perks without paying a dime. I've already tried this myself and it worked flawlessly. All you need is your phone and just a few minutes to follow along. The process is super easy, but make sure you don't skip any steps. Watching the whole video is key to making it work. So let's jump right in and activate your free Discord Nitro for a full year. First, open up your internet browser. I'm using Safari. Next, go to the website snazzycoupons.com. This is a reliable and secure platform that offers working coupon codes and special deals. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look up free Nitro. When the search results load, find the right offer and click on it. Now you'll be taken to a page with full details, including a short description of the offer, user reviews, and the code itself. But as you'll see, the code is initially locked. To access it, just click on Show Coupon Code, then give it a moment while the site loads the content. After that, click on Get Full Code. This will bring you to a quick user verification step. Don't worry, this part is easy and totally safe. It's just a simple way to confirm you're a real person. You'll be asked to complete 2 to 3 free offers, which usually involve downloading a free app or completing a basic task, like reaching a level or signing up. The instructions for each offer are clearly explained right below, so there's no confusion. These apps come from either the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device. I tested the entire process myself before making this video, and I can confirm it works without any issues. If you happen to get stuck, the site even includes a quick video tutorial showing exactly what to do during the verification step. Once you complete the offers, go back to the website and you'll see your unlocked Discord Nitro code displayed on the screen. Just copy it and use it where required. Thanks so much for watching. If this method worked for you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help. See you soon.